Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make a digital business card in Canva. So let's just begin. Alright, so first of all what you need to do, you have to log in into your Canva account, okay? But if you don't have the Canva account, you can simply create it just by linking with your Gmail. Okay, so how can we create the digital business card? So you can simply create it just by writing down the business card here. Now let's just select the business card and you will be able to see bunch of different business card templates. So you can simply choose any good looking template from here. Depends on the business that we're doing. Okay. So you can see the different templates here. So if I just scroll down, you will be able to see a lot of different templates. Some of these templates are the premium templates that has this gold crown or this pro label. So these cards are actually the part of Canva Pro. So if you want to access these cards, you have to purchase the subscription of the Canva Pro. Alright. But if you want to go with the free card, you can simply pick any good looking template from here. So let's look for something simple and elegant. Okay, so you can see this. I think I would actually like to go with this. All right, so I really like this template here, the white minimalistic template. So let's click here and we will actually go with this template. Okay, so this is a real estate template. All right, so this will work fine. So let's click on the customize this template. So you can simply customize your business card here. So as you can see, this is the front side of the card and this is the back side of the card. All right. So you can simply change your name to the brand name, whatever it is. And here you can simply write down the category of your business, whether it is the real estate, digital marketing, or etc. All right. So I'm simply going with this text and we have this text on the back side. So we have this real estate agent and we have the name of the real estate here. We have the brand name and we have this information related about the brand. Alright, so if you want to do the customization on your card, you can simply do it. So for suppose if you want to change the background color, all you need to do, let's click here and from here let's just click on the background color. And from here you can simply change the background color of your business card. You can see here we have this gray color. We can go with this color and we can also go with the gradients here. So it is all up to you how you want to make your business card. So let's just go to the white color. Okay, so if you want to add the elements, you can simply add the elements from here. You can search for the elements here. So we have the graphics, we have the shapes, and we also have this AI image generator, and we have the stickers, we have the photos, videos. So whatever you want to add, you can add it here in your business card. Obviously you can't add the videos, but you get the idea here. And if you want to add the new text on your card, you can simply click on the text, and from here you can add the new task here. You can see the different font combinations here. So if I just click here, this would be added on my business card, but right now let's just remove this. So this is how you can add the text. So now how can you make this card a digital card? For converting this simple card to a digital card, all you need is a QR code. So you can add the QR code or generate the QR code by using the apps. So in the app you can actually search for QR code generator and you will find a lot of the different apps that you can use to generate the QR code. So that is the one way to generating the QR code, but this may require to sign up in the app or log in there, or you can also use a simple website here. So if I just write down the QR code here and write down the monkey, you can see this, we have this QR code monkey. On this website, we don't actually need to log in or something else. So the process is really simple here. Okay, so on the QR code monkey, you can actually generate the QR code for the URL, for the text, email, phone number, SMS, and you can also see the different options here. So in the URL, you can actually paste link of your URL here. But right now, I'll just simply go with this dummy URL here. So we can also set the color here. So if you want to set the color that matches your business card, you can also change the color from here. So we have the color gradient. We also have the custom eye color. And if you want to change the color, you can simply just click on this color picker and from here you can choose the color, or you can also give the value of the color from here as well. All right, or you can simply add the hex code value of any specific color here. So if you want to add the logo to your QR code, you can simply upload the logo, or you can also use any of these logo here, or you can also go with the customized design here as well. You can see here. So we have the body shape, we have the eye frame shape, and we have the eyeball shape. All right, so right now I would actually like to go with this shape, and from here I will simply go with this. I think I would go with this here. Okay, so now let's click on the create QR code, and this would actually generate the QR code for our business. So you can increase or decrease the quality of your QR code from here. So let's click on the download PNG. You can see this, our QR code is being generated. So we don't have to refresh or close the window. Okay, so our QR code is downloaded. So now let's go back to our Canva here, and I will simply drag our QR code here, and I can simply put my QR code above on the logo. So let's resize this. All right, so now this will look fine. Let's just put this here, and this is looking great here. All right, so in a similar way, we can create the QR code for the first page. Okay, so let's go to the first page here of our card, and we can easily get the link of this first page. So let's click on the share, and you can see that we have this option view only link. So let's click here and copy the link, go back to our QR monkey, and we have to paste the URL here. All right, and we can also change the color of foreground and background from here. So now let's click on the create QR code, and it will start generating QR code for us. So now let's click on download PNG, and now we will be able to download our QR code of the front page of our business card. All right, so now let's just go back to our Canva here, and let's just drag the QR code, and now you can see this, we have this QR code of the front page, and we can simply put the QR code here. And now let's just adjust the alignment here. So let's pick this and this, let's just put this into the center. Okay, so now this is looking great. So this is how we can create the digital business card. And if you want to convert your text into the link, you can simply do it. Let's just pick the text here, and you can simply click on the link, and you can simply add the link here, or you can also link this to another page in the document. So right now I'm just adding this to the first page. You can simply add the link here of your email or something else. So this is how we can convert the text to the link, and this is how we can add the QR code in our business card, and this is how we make digital business card in Canva. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.